I'm going to set my stroke to 20 points and then draw a simple square. And then I'm going to scale this up, and as you can see, it's gone to over 30 points. So to change this, I'm going to go to the transform toolbar, click on the 3 lines and scale strokes and effects. Just deselect that. And then I'm going to delete this box and put the points back to 20 and draw a simple square again. And then as I scale this up, you can see it's now maintained its stroke of 20 points. You can also access this if you go to Edit, Preferences, General, and then uncheck the box for Scale Strokes and Effects and click OK. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to leave your feedback in the comments and subscribe for more helpful videos. See ya!